looking at how to extract the data from a given time. We have in most of the data analysis cases, we have the time in the form of hour, minute, and second, from which we have to extract hour differently, minute differently, and second differently. This is basically used to do the point based, target based analysis so that a good results can be obtained. So how to do that? Let's start. So for hour, in the cell type in equal to, then HOUR, then open bracket, and then take the time. I am having right now time as 14 hours 20 minutes 49 seconds, so I am taking that time. Then close the bracket, enter. Here you get the hour as 14 hours. Now to get the minute, type in equal to MINUTE, minute. After that, open bracket. Then it is asking the serial number. Same, the serial number is whatever the time we are having, that will come as a serial number. So I will take again this number and then close bracket, enter. Now I am getting a minute as 20, which is equal to 20 minutes in the given time. Now when I want to get the seconds, then equal to SECOND, second, open bracket, then take the cell in which the time is given and then close bracket, enter. I am getting the seconds as 49 seconds. So these are very easy formulas which can be used for any kind of data analysis which is based on time, where the most of the time when we are doing a digital marketing or campaign management, in that we have to do a particular time analysis, on which time, on which seconds, on which minutes the things were getting hit, and accordingly we develop our algorithm, accordingly we develop our campaigns, and then we proceed forward. This is very important functions. You should use it in your analysis also. See you into the next video. Thank you.